Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel Review It All. So today we have the Realme 1 with us, and let's do the unboxing of the Diamond Black 332GB variant. Let's take a look what's inside the box and how the phone looks. So I'm really excited to open this box. Let's do it. So after a little bit of struggle, we are able to open the box, and wow, we are greeted with a transparent case. That's really nice to see in such a low-end device. And then we have the phone itself. Oh my god, this phone weighs so less, and this is a treat to look at the phone in the wrapper. It's really packed very well. Let's take off the wrapper and take it out from the wrapper, and there it goes. Oh my god. Let me tell you one thing, guys. The quality, the finish of the pack, although it is called the fiberglass, but I don't think it looks any lesser than a glass pack. The finish at the back looks very, very premium. If you use it without the case, I'm sure you're going to grab some eyeballs. But yeah, this is really good. I didn't expect this kind of quality at this kind of a price. I'm really impressed by this. The phone looks damn awesome. And although I think you might be able to see the tangent lines, the way it reflects light looks really awesome. This device is really light to hold in one hand, and it is easy to use in one hand also. So let's boot up this device, and in the meantime, let's check what's in the box. So let's check the box contents of the Realme 1, and we get a normal micro USB charger. That's justified for this price, and a standard wall charger which has a rating of 5 volts 2 amperes. So this is not a fast charger. So, and yeah, I think it's not even required for a battery capacity of 3410 mAh. And the rest of the contents include a quick start guide and an information guide and a silicone TPU case. That's a transparent case for the Realme 1. That's really good. And the screen guard comes pre-applied to the phone. Actually, it's not a tempered glass. So this is all for the unboxing of the Realme 1. I hope you liked this video. Please like this video and like this channel to get more content like this on your YouTube screen. I'll be bringing a detailed review of the Realme 1 and also its comparison with the Redmi Note 5 Pro as to which one should you buy. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you had a great time. Till we meet again. Bye.